up, guys? I'm already home, got off of work. Got this thing, you already know, Beast 700. We ain't touching it though, we ain't doing anything with it. What we got going on is what you see back there. We're gonna put this on pause because obviously there was some stuff that was damaged and hurt. So obviously I'm not gonna have that money to dump it right away to the freaking car. So I'm gonna have to pause, do some little side work for now, and then save up, and then buy the parts that I need to. So let me show you right here. Just a little single cam, nothing too crazy. Interior is like pretty much all gone. Just got dash, some Accord wheels, STRs over there. It'll have somewhat of an interior by tomorrow. We ended up putting this tailgate because the last one was pretty beat up. We still gotta figure out what's going on right there. I'm assuming the hinges are bent, so we'll probably have to go pick some up tomorrow. But yeah, give me a little bit, probably like in a half hour we'll do a time lapse and this should be out. You'll see the whole process. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull the single cam out. We ran into a problem last time, we couldn't set up the portable garage and it was raining, so we couldn't do much about it. So now we got a garage covered, and now we're gonna get this shit done quick. Just watch and stay tuned. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Alright, we're back at it again now. We just removed the other one from the other swap. Now we got this one. Yep, you guys know. The GSR. Don't mind that. That's from a different vehicle. We just needed it to bring it. So now we're going to unbolt it. We're just going to unbolt the torque mounts. The 2 bolts to go to the frame. 2 bolts to go to the frame. The actual hashboard mounts, all 3. So the driver, passenger, and the rear. Undo the shift linkage. And then undo a couple hoses. Remove this stuff. And it's pretty much just a drop. We're going through the bottom. So you'll see.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna fucking LS1 swap this bit. I'm just kidding. Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna fucking LS1 swap this bit. I'm just kidding.
What's up, guys? I haven't been able to record much. I'm dying over here, but it's alright. We're gonna put this thing in there. Alright, so we're in. We got pretty much everything buttoned up. Just gotta put a couple of things here. Got the ground. The actual wire for the slave. And pretty much it. Just like do a better job of cleaning the harness, the intake, battery, clean up the actual fuse box because that was pretty ugly and nasty. It's a little bit better, but if you actually look inside, it's pretty gross. And then that's it. It actually has 2 seats now, so can't really tell, I guess. I'm checking my light. Yeah, see, I got some seats. Gotta just get some carpet. I'm gonna let him have my interior pieces from my hatch. Since mine's a race car and I have a roll cage, I don't need it. And he's missing the headliner. I'll let him have that. That's actually still on my car. I will be pulling it and letting him have it. Alright guys, so after a little bit we got it figured out. Ended up being a bad fuel pump. And that's the reason why it wasn't starting. Now that's what the fuel pump looks like.